Ooh, what's that? Is that a wagon?
So we're back out again on a revisit.
Back out at a mine that we've been to, well, many times, but we have an integral addition this time, and that is a 200-metre cable and an ROV.
When we came here last, we ran out of cable and we lost sight of everything.
We did, yeah.
It's all clouded up because the cable went taut. The ROV got stuck.
We went into panic mode a little bit, yeah.
It was panic mode, nearly lost it, I think.
Yeah, it was one of the first times as well, so it's been a while.
Second time using the ROV.
Yeah.
The old one was in here, so let's go back there.
We've got the new and improved one now and more cable, so let's try it again.
There, yeah. And we have some friends with us. There they are, there's Lois and Jake there, and Ella, and we're going to take them for a lovely adventure in there, show the way.
Where else to start?
Let's go. The amazing water wheel.
Here we are, an old friend.
Have a look at this. So a lot of our new subscribers may not have seen the video when we came here and seen this.
So this was, and actually this is the first time I've been here since a very important discovery was made last year. This was thought to be the only surviving intact underground water wheel in Wales, and one of the only ones in the UK. But we've actually, as of last year, and the link is in the description to the video, we actually discovered 2 more in this area. So we've more than doubled the amount of surviving underground water wheels that are known to exist in Wales.
So we're going over here with the ROV.
So the water wheel would have operated that pump there. There it is. There would have been a chain running over to here, connected to the, that's called the rising main, that pipe, and there would have been a piston inside that pipe that would have sucked the water up. And we are going to send the ROV right down there.
So we have 200-metre cable now.
Right, this should be an improvement on the last attempt.
Big lump of cable. Fingers crossed. We can go further than we did before.
And it's a different ROV as well, isn't it? It was the yellow one that we had before.
Just the standard ROV version. This is the V6 Expert.
Ideal.
Here we go.
Okay, down we go.
Onwards and downwards. Onwards and downwards. Yeah. Look at that.
There's the rising main. And follow that.
Here we go.
Okay, down we go. Onwards and downwards.
Onwards and downwards. Yeah. Look at that.
Okay. There's the rising main. And follow that. There we are. So we're following the pumping column down.
Want to see, Jake? Oh, look at that.
Ah, there's the wheel that used to be up here. Someone's chucked it down the shaft.
Or it's collapsed through the wood.
Yeah, one or the other. That used to be up here.
Let's go down with it.
Yeah, there it is. So that's the dolly wheel that would have been up the top here for feeding the wire rope.
And it go good to see her. Ellie, I called you, Ella. That's what we can see down there. The remains of this. Now we're going to go through there.
And down there, we should hit the level.
Dusting up. Let's go back up. Doesn't fit through there. There's us.
Where did we get it down then?
Let's have another look. Let's come back up. Right, let's turn it round. Try again. There's one side we went down before. Oh, it's froze.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Footage is froze.
Oh, yeah.
That's not right.
Where's it done that there? Ah, there we go.
There's water on the screen.
Yeah.
Here we go again.
From there.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Let's just have a look over here.
Oh, there's the ladders, look.
Oh,
Check
look
out
at
the
that.
ladders. Let's go down, let's follow the ladders and see if...
That's the way down.
Ah, there we are.
I think water's dripping on the screen.
Yeah. And behind there, maybe? Can't remember where we went down. I thought we went over the other side, you know.
Do you think?
I thought we went over the other side.
I got it.
Yeah. Towards, yeah, that's it. Yeah, right, we're through. Straight down there. There we go. And there's a level.
Can't see nothing.
Keep going. There.
Really tricky.
Yeah.
I can't see.
There's the rising main going down. We'll be out of this in a minute once we get below it. There. We're through it now. Straight down the pipe quickly before it clouds up. Yeah, right. Straight down.
Well, that was a performance, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. Once you hang around, it starts, that cloudiness is coming, so you need to keep ahead of it.
The problem we got is coming back.
Yeah, well, we can see it, we can navigate it using our eyes here, or follow the cable. There we go.
It keeps spinning. What's that?
That's a clack door on the rising main. Yeah, keep going quick. That's a clack door, maintenance hatch on the rising main.
It's stuck.
There we go. And the level should be down there.
That's the level.
That's it. Brilliant. Goes both ways. Yeah, that's what I remember. I remember seeing the bottom of the ladders, and there's that weird halo climb, remember?
There it is, one of the ladders. Let's go into the level.
Yeah.
We're in the level.
Hey, look at the rails.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh,
We're on the track.
I can't see.
So,
I can't see anything.
well, we'll go along, and then it'll follow the rails, I think.
Visibility's really poor.
It is, isn't it?
It's too risky.
Well, we can see.
Yeah, but trust me, I can't send that down there. It's too risky to lose it. Can't see anything. Do you look at it coming back? Okay.
Recording?
Yep. So,
If I remember, it was on this side, wasn't it?
correct.
There was a manway going down.
We definitely run out of cable on this one, I remember that.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
unfortunately, I couldn't see where I was going in the other one. And it was too...
There it is.
look at that down there.
Yeah.
Hey Lois, come and have a look at this. There's a bucket down there. Look at that for a picture. Can you see it, Ella? Like that? Amazing, isn't it? Right, let's go down. There's the hole.
Right.
No, that's not the hole. It was this way, wasn't it?
There it is, over there.
Oh,
There.
there it is.
Yeah. And if I remember, there were some ladders there.
Correct.
It's
yeah.
quite narrow, but then it took us straight down into the level. That's it. I remember this. Yeah. There's the pack wall.
You know what it is? I need my glasses.
Oh.
Look at that.
Amazing pack wall. And there's the ladder.
There it is. Haha. That's cool. And something else.
Yeah. Remains of a ladder, but with sort of planks on either side of it. And this should be the level.
There's something at the bottom of it, look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at all that.
All the pipes.
Timbers is, it's air pipes.
Oh, yeah, the ventilation pipes.
It is,
yeah.
yeah.
So is this the floor of the level now? We're on the floor. Yeah, the winds carries on, but this is the level here. Oh, okay. Forgot about that.
All the deads there.
Yeah. There's the halocline again.
See, now I can see clear in this one.
Yeah, well, we were underneath that, weren't we? We were under the halocline,
You couldn't get out of it.
Nah.
It's too expensive to lose.
There it is.
Let's go into the level, shall we?
So hopefully, yeah, if we can stay above that halocline, we should be all right. And not touch any timbers or anything en route.
Look at that.
Wow.
It's like, look at that.
There it goes.
So
And there's the rails. I can see the rails under the mud.
drop down into it. Whoop.
Ah, and then there it just goes. Yeah.
So that's where I could see down there. It was like that to me.
Yeah.
I could barely make out the rails.
How weird that it's at that height. Let's try going the other way then.
Yep.
If we get everything back here, and then.
So keep going, yeah?
Yep, if you don't mind. Oh look, what's that?
That's the remains of the ladderway that we came down. Yeah.
So we should be able to go
That way.
Stope there.
Yeah.
Timbers.
Is the cable tight now?
No, it's coming quite slack. There you go, it's tight now.
Okay, there we go.
Okay,
we're-
let go.
Yeah, let go.
let
Yep,
go again.
thanks. Let's drop back into the level.
There's an ore chute there on the right. Look, those timber
Oh, yeah,
planks.
that's what they've done.
So the halocline should go down this way because it was coming up the other way and the level's climbing. So in theory, it should get better.
It should. And this is heading to where we've just been.
Yeah.
Isn't it, this one?
I can't remember actually which way it's going. No, it's heading away. I think it's heading that way.
Right.
I think. Yeah, this looks a little bit better.
It's a proper tricky one to
Yeah.
drive it around. Why does it stop? It's stopped. It's gone
Oh,
again.
it's going.
Nope, it won't go. It's caught on something again. That's annoying.
What is it catching on?
The roof, I think.
Hmm.
Jagged rocks. Yeah, here, by here. Around this, because it's going down and then like
Yeah.
that. It just goes tight.
Do you want to try it one more time?
We'll give it one more go. It's freed. No, it hasn't. Oh, it's struggling.
Still going.
Yeah.
It's really struggling.
The level's getting bigger as well. What's that on the left? Just lots of trial crosscuts left and right, aren't there?
They were chasing the load, weren't they?
Yeah.
It's stopped again. Oh, it's going
There
here.
it goes.
Let's get out of that.
Yeah. If you build up a bit of momentum, get it going as fast as it can, and it should keep going then.
Take a run at it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Just keep going as fast
It's a nice
as it'll
square
go.
level.
It is, isn't it? Yeah.
And then we're all smooth. Furthest we've been in here now.
Yeah.
We have no
Don't worry about the side passages. Let's just keep the momentum going in case it sticks again.
I can make out tracks in the hail.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. It's coming up, isn't it? Because the level's climbing.
Mm. How much cable have we got?
Plenty.
Good.
This might take us to the cart.
Well, that's what I'm hoping. What's that in the roof? Oh, no. No, just a white
Nothing,
yeah. Yeah, I'm hoping this might take us to the main
7 degrees
shaft.
the water is.
7 degrees. Ooh,
Oh.
what's that? Is that a wagon?
It is.
Oh, we've got another wagon. Oh, look at that. It's standing on the rails. Wow. Okay, pause it right there. Pause it right there. Wow. Can you reverse a teeny bit?
Yeah.
Wow. A wagon sat on the rails under the water.
That's amazing.
Jeez. So there's 2 of them down there.
Look at that, Jake.
There's 2 wagons on the railway down there.
Yeah. Be sure that's
Wow.
not the one we found.
Well, let's find out. Yeah, it was at a junction, the other one. I don't think it is, because we came to it from the other
There's
side.
a junction there, isn't it?
It was on the other side. We'll compare the videos. I don't think it is, no.
This is going to be a tricky one to manoeuvre over.
Can we go over it? Or?
I'm giving it a go because it's quite close to the ceiling.
Yeah. Oh, that's all right. Yes.
I'm thinking it.
No. That level. Straight.
Trying.
There we go. Down a little bit.
Look at the gypsums.
Yeah, all on the roof. Let's keep going. They're going to go.
To a pot of gold. That's where it's going to go.
You can see the floor a bit clearer now as well.
Yeah.
It's getting a lot better.
We've got a lot of cable out now.
Yeah.
Oh, 150 metres, I reckon. Some timbers here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Cable's tangled.
Can you get a little bit closer?
Looks like a collapse.
Yeah,
to me.
it does, doesn't it? Yeah.
If Jake kneels on the board, you'll get another 10 feet.
Oh, yeah.
Right. If you could pull in the slack, Jake.
Yeah.
We're heading out. That was pretty
Reel
cool.
it or pull it by hand?
Reel it. Thanks. Light warp speed.
Yeah, here we go. Not smash into the wagon.
Let's have another look at that from this
I just
angle.
can't believe that there's 2 wagons that have just been left down there. That's amazing.
Why would they leave them?
I know, I don't understand.
They went home and came back and
Yeah.
said, sorry folks, the mine is shut.
I think the
You haven't got a
Scrappy
job."
got everything from this level because it's so accessible.
There it is, Ioan.
Wow.
Unfortunately, visibility's gone shit.
Yeah. There it is. Oh, stop there. Stop. And reverse a little bit. And back from it. And then look down on the rail. Yeah, that's it.
Look at
Can you come back a bit more and get the whole thing in shot?
Is that the money shot?
that. You know, look at that wall of deads. Look at that.
Yeah.
So, the first shaft we went down, couldn't see when we were down there.
It was all cloudy, wasn't
Right obstacle course that was.
Mm.
Twisty and turny, and couldn't see nothing.
We went down there a couple of years ago. We found one wagon down there.
yes.
Which we didn't get to today. So we went to the other wins, went down the other one, and we found another wagon. So there's 2 wagons down there, still on the rails.
But it kept going and going and going, but unfortunately the cable got snagged in the roof.
Yeah.
But
But
we
it-
figured that one out.
Yeah, it looked like it was a collapso, didn't it?
It did. I think we were at a collapse.
That we were at the end of the level. So running directly underneath where we are now, running parallel on the same load as us right here, going the same way.
So, I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and all the best to you.
Ciao for now.